If you've had a joint replacement surgery, you want to ensure that you're doing the best things for your body so that you can get back to doing all of the activities that you love. But what are the right things to do? And what can you do to help yourself recover in a timely manner? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect during a joint replacement recovery. And with this information, you can rest easily knowing that you'll be doing your favorite activities as soon as possible.
Hi, I'm Kayla Brooke. I'm a licensed physical therapist here at EW Motion Therapy. As a physical therapist, we work with a ton of clients that are post-op from total joint replacements. Our goal is to ensure that they get back to their favorite activities and return to daily life as normal as possible. Today, I want to review with you how long it's going to take you to recover, what can possibly affect your recovery, and how physical therapy can help. Let's discuss a realistic timeline for the 3 most common total joint replacements. We're going to talk about the hip, the knee, and the shoulder. When you're looking at the hip and the knee, they're very similar. So typically in the first 3 months, you'll return to all of your daily life activities. And then within 6 months to about a year, your knee or hip will start to feel more normal and you'll return to all of your favorite activities. For the shoulder, it's a little bit more complicated, as you're likely going to be in a sling for the first 6 weeks post-op recovery. Typically though, within a year, you are likely back to daily life activities and anything that you wish to do with that arm. Next, we're going to discuss what can possibly affect your recovery time. First, we're going to talk about pre-operative exercises. It's very important that you do exercises prior to your surgery because the stronger you are going in, the quicker you're going to get back to normal following the surgery. Second, our overall health, well-being, and activity. We want you moving, but not pushing too much. Our goals afterwards also can affect it because the higher the goal, a little bit longer it might take to get back to it. Next, we'll definitely look for complications after surgeries. The thing that we really look for is any kind of signs of infection, increased inflammation, and heavy scar tissue that can develop and it will affect your mobility. Lastly, we want to talk about your home exercise program. Your doctor or your physical therapist will give you exercises to perform outside of your time with us. It's vital that you do those to improve your mobility, to decrease the swelling, and to get you back moving as quickly as possible. Finally, we're going to discuss how PT can help you post-op surgery. The goals for us as physical therapists are to decrease your pain, to improve your blood flow, to decrease the swelling, and get you back to daily life activities safely. For example, following your hip replacement, you will likely be on a walker afterwards. So when you come to us, we're going to make sure that you're safe with transfers in and out of bed, in and out of a chair, out of your car, and with ambulation in your home. Then we'll do a lot of hands-on work of gentle range of motion to make sure that that hip gets moving. We're going to do some massage to get the inflammation out of there, to get that blood flow going, and to get all of those muscles calmed down after surgery. And then we're going to really focus on strengthening. We're going to strengthen everything surrounding that joint to get you back to normal as quickly as possible.
Now you know more about what your recovery will look like after a joint replacement surgery. Believe it or not, what you do prior to your joint replacement surgery has a huge impact on your recovery time. Click the link in our description below to watch our video on how to exercise before a joint surgery. This video reviews how you can prepare your body so that you can have the best possible outcomes during your joint replacement recovery. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to help you on your physical therapy and wellness journey.